Okay, so let me show you how to construct your break-even charts. Okay, so using this example, so we've got fixed costs of 6,000. So we put 6,000 here. Okay, now obviously they're fixed, so they stay at 6,000 regardless of output. So you can drag that down. This is output, by the way. Now total variable costs, it says here they're $1. So these are costs that change when output goes up. So total variable costs when we don't make anything are 0, but afterwards we can do equals 1 times the quantity, which is here. Press enter and it fills it out for us. Okay, so that's our total variable costs. So again, this is just based on the fact that they say $1 here. Now total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So again, we can do equals this plus this cell, and then we press enter, and again it should calculate it for us, autofill. If not, you have to do it yourself or drag it. And total revenue is the amount you receive from the customer when you sell an item. So again, here the data says $2, so you should sell nothing. You're selling nothing, you get no money. But in this one, you are selling, the selling price is $2, and you are selling 1,000 units. Oops, that again. So 2 times 1,000, enter, and autofill. And finally, when do you make profit? Okay, so this is equal to total revenue minus the total cost. Okay, so as you can see, when the quantity is 6,000, the total expenditure that you do, the total costs you incur are 12,000. The money you make from the customer is 12,000. So overall, you are not making a loss, but you're not making a profit yet. And this point, this quantity, 6,000, is called the break-even quantity, right? So the next trick is to turn it into a graph, which is very easy. So if you're using a Windows computer, press Control. If you're using Apple, press Command. Then you highlight the quantity as well as total cost and total revenue. You go to Insert Chart. So we don't want this chart, we want a nice line chart. So this one, go to this one. Smooth line chart, like so. Now we want, because it's a break-even chart, you have costs and price up this axis, and you have quantity down here. So what you do, go back to that, and you see this thing that says add x-axis. So you click on that, and you want to add B4913, which is the quantity column. Oops, move that. Do that again. Okay, and you should get, look, 0 to 9,000, which is this column here. Okay, now we don't want this blue one. So how do we get rid of this blue one? Again, you go back to setup. So the blue one is B4, B13. So just click on here and press remove. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is your break-even chart. The blue line is representing total cost. So what we can do is we can click that, type in TC as a heading, and the red one is representing total revenue. Okay, so you can stick that in like that. Okay, and that is it really. That's your break-even chart. You can see, look, at 6,000, the two lines cross, which is accurate. That is the break-even point. Now, just a few extra things just to make it look good. So you have to obviously customize it. So I want to put, let's have a look. Let's go for a title. So let's say break-even chart. Okay, let's put capital B. Okay, enter. That goes there. Then you've got the usual formatting options. Put that in the middle. Make it bold. Change the color. Okay, do what you want. And now we've got to do axes title. So again, it's on here. And then you look. So that was the chart title. Now you want the horizontal one. Type it in here. So I got horizontal axis is quantity. Obviously for your project, you're going to have to say bananas or whatever. So you have to do that properly. Quantity, and again, do what you want with formatting. Let's go for blue. There we go, bold in blue. Nice. And obviously what goes here, again, double click. That is the vertical axis. Ooh, go back to this one, sorry. Vertical axis, and we are going to type, what should we type? We can do everything on it. So sometimes it's the price, it's all in dollars. Sometimes it refers to the cost. Sometimes it refers to revenue, profit. Actually, a dollar sign will probably suffice, but it just makes it look good. Okay, I'll bold that, and I'm going to make it green. There you go. So again, that's your break-even chart. It'd be nice to have 9,000. So what can we do here? How do we get 9,000? Horizontal axis, maximum value, 9,000. Minimum value 0. There you go. And it comes like that. So we can clearly see. And that is your break-even chart. Okay.